Elisa's got a magic wand. Make sure it doesn't burn to the end. God. Look at Elise. That was radical, Louise.
Huh? Where did it go? What happened to the lighter?
Oh,
Woo!